Amit and Bhushan Bhoi. We have done a group project on the topic a comprehensive study on COVID-19 vaccination under the guidance of our beloved principal and professor Dr. Nitin Mohire. I am here to explain what is coronavirus and what happens when it enters into our body. This is SARS-CoV-2. It belongs to the family of the coronavirus. It consists spikes on the outer surface of the membrane. Due to these spikes, it is known as spike-like virus. COVID-19 is caused due to SARS-CoV-2. It is a respiratory disease and can be communicated easily. What happens when it enters into our body? The coronavirus affects the living cell of our body. Let's see the components of the coronavirus. It consists of a viral genetic material which can also be called as RNA membrane. It is then covered by the protein shell. It gives protection to the viral genetic material. It is then covered by an envelope which we also call as cell membrane. It gives protection to all the components of the coronavirus. It is covered by the protein-like spikes. These spikes play an important role in entering into our body. Like the influenza viruses, coronavirus also use these protein spikes to enter into the living cells. They play a key role in entering into our body. When an infected person sneezes, the droplets of the coronavirus have entered into this saliva and it enters into our body through the nose and mouth. In this way, the viruses come in contact with the throat cells. Here, the virus come in contact with the receptor, which is known as angiotensin II receptor. These receptors form the door for the virus to enter into the living cells. The influenza viruses use the host nucleus for the reproduction, but the coronavirus don't need the host nucleus for their reproduction. They can easily use host organs for their reproduction. Here, the coronavirus use the ribosome of this living cell to form other components of the viruses. The virus gives messages to the membrane to give and form and reproduce all the components of the viruses. Here, the protein spikes fully cover the Golgi apparatus and then they come together and all the components form easily and then it can easily release from the body. After releasing from the living cells, it dies the living cells and spread throughout the body. In this way, coronavirus spreads throughout our body.
Hello everyone, my name is Agnes and today we are going to be talking about Covaxin, its mechanism of action and what exactly is inactivated vaccine. Covaxin is India's first COVID-19 vaccine. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization CDSCO as well as the Drug Controller General of India DCGI gave permission to hold Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials for Covaxin. The CDSCO has allowed Bharat Biotech India to conduct human clinical trials for Covaxin. Covaxin was produced by Bharat Biotech, which is an Hyderabad-based company. Bharat Biotech has come up with various vaccines before, that is for H1N1, rotavirus vaccine, Zika virus vaccine, as well as now the latest pandemic caused them to produce Covaxin, which is an inactivated type of vaccine. Bharat Biotech came up with this vaccine in association with Indian Council of Medical Research as well as the National Institute of Virology, Pune. Let us start with two important questions. What is vaccine and how does it work, and what is inactivated vaccine? What happens is the COVID-19 virus enters our body, affects our respiratory function and eventually our immune system. There are only two main possibilities what would happen. Either the virus would affect our entire body or the immune system will defend much stronger. So if the virus wins, what happens is it would be fatal and lead to death. And if the immune system wins, what happens is the immune system would be much immune to this virus. When any new virus enters our body, our immune system creates antibodies which will fight against the virus much stronger. Our immune system creates antibodies to fight against the virus when it attacks the human body for the first time. These antibodies, once created, will fight the virus every time it attacks. And this particular system is used for the vaccine development. As you all know, there are two types of vaccines, attenuated vaccine and inactivated. Attenuated is usually weakened, that is, the live virus would be weakened and injected into our body, which would not be that strong and would not replicate. In inactivated vaccine, usually dead virus is injected. The definition for inactivated vaccine is it is a vaccine consisting of virus particles that have been grown in culture and then killed to destroy disease producing capacity. In this case, vaccine has no potential to infect or replicate since it is a killed virus. The Covaxin contains an inactivated SARS-CoV-2 strain which is disabled for replication. However, the proteins are intact which are able to provoke immunity of the host, and there are chemical ingredients in the form of excipients. So the adjuvant usually used in making Covaxin is Algyl IMDG. Inactivated vaccines require multiple doses to ensure a sufficient immune system. This vaccine can produce antibodies against many regions of the complete virus. Since the vaccine contains fully inactivated virus with all 29 proteins intact, the immune system provoked by it will be more comprehensive and closer to natural immunity arising out of an infection. So,
Hello, my name is Mayur Raju Bambit and I am going to explain you what are vaccines and what is Covishield vaccine. When virus and bacteria enters in our body triggers immune response and produce antibodies to kill those foreign antigens. A healthy individual like us can produce millions of antibodies to keep ourselves a healthy being. But this process of creating antibodies can take up to several days. This is where vaccines come in. Vaccines are generally killed or weak antigens which are injected in our body and they do not harm our body but produce antibodies to kill them. This process creates memory of the antigen by the memory cells of the immunity, so that when the antigen again attacks our body immunity is ready to fight against it. This is how vaccines protect us from harmful virus and bacteria like measles, mumps, rubella, chickenpox, influenza, polio, hepatitis. And now coronavirus is also included in this list as many vaccines are being developed. In India, Covaxin and Covishield got approval. Covishield vaccine, which is developed by Serum Institute of India, has a similar structure that as of coronavirus. It binds to the S protein of the coronavirus and blocks them and kill them. Because of memory of this immune response, when actual coronavirus enters in our body immunity is ready to fight against it.
Namaste and hello everyone. As we know that pandemic is increasing and corona is at a very high risk, it is very much necessary that we include some of the good habits in our day-to-day life. Let's see which all the habits we should inculcate in our life so that we can prevent ourselves and our family from corona. Let's see.
coronavirus pandemic is spreading rampantly, and it is extremely important that we take care of our health. There are few methods to take care of our health. First, by sanitization of anything that you're going to be using the whole entire day and not touching in everything that you see. Second, wash your hands. One method is by taking time to wash your hands by using soap so that you completely clear off the germs or anything that is in your hand.
Sanitization is necessary as it kills the viruses, so we should always sanitize our hand after touch something and after coming home.
Sanitization our area around us is equally important because as corona is an airborne disease, safety measures should be as followed. We should sanitize the articles like doors, window and cheers.
We should always keep our mouth and throat wet by drinking hot water or herbal tea as much as possible.
We should wear the mask before leaving the house.
Hello, myself Shubham. As we all know, the COVID-19 cases are rising day by day in our country. There is a lockdown in Maharashtra state. I request all of you to follow the guidelines given by Maharashtra state. The guidelines includes wear a mask properly, do not go to the crowded places, wash your hands with soap and sanitizer, and maintain a distance of 6 feet from each other. I once again request you to stick to these rules and follow these guidelines strictly. Thank you.
We should maintain 6 foot social distancing.
Exercise increases the immunity of the body, so we should do yoga or pranayama.
In today's age, where the information is available in tremendous amount, where media has such a huge impact over people, it can manipulate us easily. So it is very important to choose our sources of information carefully. We should only choose genuine sources for getting knowledge, and we also should cross-check the news whether it is real or it is fake. And lastly, we should be aware enough to share information and not rumors.
Important in this current pandemic situation that we cooperate with our doctors, nurses as well as our pharmacists, because they are the ones who are most vulnerable in this situation, and it is a duty that
We should coordinate with the cleaning personnel and the most important, our police staff who is working 24/7 to maintain the law and order. We, the student of Shivaji Rao S. Jonde College of Pharmacy, really appreciate their efforts and salute them for their services. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
As we know, corona enters into our body through lungs and mouth. It is very much necessary that we take special precaution to these areas. Taking steam will kill the virus in our nostril before entering into the body. We should take steam twice a day.
Stay safe and never forget to wear a mask before leaving the house.
We should necessarily follow the guidelines provided by government as it is for our safety and prevention from a coronavirus.
As we all know, the cases of COVID-19 are rising day by day in our country. There is a lockdown in Maharashtra state. I request all of you to follow the guidelines given by Maharashtra.
Avoid unnecessary going out of the house. Utilize your free time in reading books. As we are at home, we should utilize our time in very productive activities such as gardening. Gardening is very much important in our life as plants give us oxygen, which is necessity of our life. So we should do gardening. Always keep your surrounding with many plants and trees as they give you good positivity at your home. So plant trees and save earth. Thank you.
Always help those who are in need. One should donate masks, food, etc. in this pandemic situation to help others.
in the freedom fights war with our neighboring countries. But now we have the opportunity to be the soldier for our country and help our government by fighting against the biggest enemy, that is Corona, which has grabbed us in his stings. We can do this by staying at home and helping and listening all the guidelines that is given to us by the government. Thank you.